Hello student, I hope you and your family are well and good at your home. Okay, so last we are done with the exercise 8.4. Done. On that we have done with the question 1 to 4, which are based on the property of the circle, right? Next topic is again the property of the circle only. Just thing is I didn't include that topic last time. Then we are doing that topic, which is construction of circle. That means कि circle हमें बनाना कैसे है. Understood? So for that first we need to do that कि how can we draw the circle. So it is like that. Say for example, if I draw the circle like that, so I can simply draw it. Then, but for that we need अगर मैंने ये सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लिया अभी, सो अभी मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि इसका पॉइंट कहाँ है. सो समहाउ आई गेट द पॉइंट बाय फोल्डिंग मेथड. देन इसके पहले हमने फोल्ड किया था तो उससे भी हमें पता चल गया था कि हाँ कि इस तरह से हमें एक सेंटर मिल जाएगा कि चलो इसमें ऐसे हमें एक सेंटर मिल गया. देन बट फॉर द सर्कल की एज अ डेफिनेशन वी नो दैट कि उसमें क्या होता है कि ये फ्रॉम द सेंटर all the points are at the equidistance. Then this distance, this, say for example this, and all are the equal only. Then can you say that with just drawing by the hand the circle all are the equidistance? No. Then as you can see that some of are less, someone is high. Then so we cannot draw the circle with just our hand, not properly. Understood? So for that we need kind of instrument. For that you need a geometry box. On that you know that there is a compass. Then so compass जो होता है उसकी help से हम circle को बना सकते हैं. Then what you need to do, you have to take a compass. On that you know that how to adjust the pencil. Then pencil को compass के pointer से और आपकी pencil का point जो है वो दोनों एक साथ आ जाए उस तरह से पहले adjust करना रहेगा. Right? Okay, next other thing. दूसरी things की हाँ चलो वो हमने कर लिया. उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? Then after we draw the circle. On the what basis we draw the circle? We draw the circle on the basis of radius. Then हमें अगर ऐसा बोला है कि draw the circle of radius there, then so on the basis of radius we draw the circle. Why? Because as you know that कि circle के जो center होता है उससे जो equidistance पे सारे points होते हैं. Then so that is between measurement of that circle point and the center of the circle. Then that is all are equal and it is called a radius, right? So on the basis of that only we draw the circle. Then okay, so how can we construct a circle? Then so first thing, say for example you need to draw the circle of let's say 5 centimeter. Then so what is your first step? Your first step you need a ruler and आपको एक ruler चाहिए होगी. Say for example in the ruler you know that it would be like that. Then उसमें किस तरह से होता है? It is a centimeter ruler. यहाँ पर it is a starting point. Say for example आपका कुछ rulers में 0 लिखा होता है, कुछ में नहीं होता है. So यहाँ से starting point होता है. Then after the 10 step, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So यहाँ पे 10 step पे it is just like this. That means this much distance is 1 centimeter. Then so same way what you have to do, you have to put your pencil point or compass pointer on that 0. Say for example this point is 0. So that point over here you have to put. Then and say for example as I said that we have to make 5 centimeter radius of circle. So you have to put the another point or of the pencil or the pointer of the compass over here at 5 centimeter. Then so either say for example if you put the pointer of the compass over here on the 0, then so your pencil point you should to extend over here on the 5. Then so now the measurement of your compass is 5 centimeter. Understood? See, I am repeating that step. What you have to do, then you have to extend your compass so that your measurement of the compass it is like a 5 centimeter. How you can do it? First you have to put that pointer of the compass on the 0 and the another pointer of the pencil on the 5. Understood? Okay, then okay, now now we have a measurement of a 5 centimeter on your compass. Then after second step, then so what you have to do in the second step, so you have to take one point on the page. Then I am taking on the board, so I say for example this point as a, I will take the 0 and that is your center of the circle. And I will tell you how you can do it. That is you have to initially take the center. Then for you have to take the center of the circle first. Right? So say for example you take that. Okay, now what you have to do, you have the measurement 5 centimeter on the compass, right? So what you have to do, you have to put the pointer of the compass, जो needle आती है, means point जो आता है compass का, वो आपको ये O point के ऊपर रखना है. कहाँ पे? ये O point के ऊपर. And then after with the the other point, it would be like over here or over here. Then so from that you need उसके बाद क्या करना होता है आपको with यहाँ पे आपको stick रखना है pointer उसका. Then after slowly you have to draw the circle. See, I am giving the example. I didn't have that much of big compass, so I am doing with my chalk. Then say for example this end is my pointer. Then so this end is my pointer of the compass. So I put over here on the O. Then and this would be my pencil. Then and then after what I have to do, I have to drag the pencil like that. Then so it will make a circle. Then if you do with the compass, then it would be appropriate. Okay, understood? So that how you have to do. So now if you want to measure that length or that length or that length, then so all are the 5 centimeter only. Then all of them are 5 centimeter only. Understood? So that's how you have to measure. That's how you have to make the circle. Then okay, so this is our last property of the circle, which is construction of the circle. Then okay, after that as I repeat the step, then that step also you have to write after you draw the circle or before you draw the circle. Then so your step would be like that open the compass, then and measure the 5 centimeter by the on scale or ruler you can write. Then I am writing the step of them after a while. Then so that's how you need to construct the circle. Okay. Okay, now moving towards the last question of exercise 8.4. Then okay, so the last question is again depend upon the circle only. Draw the circle of the following radius. On that 3 questions are there. Then I am doing one only. Remaining 2 you have to do in your homework. Okay. Then okay, so first questions I am doing, which is 3 centimeter. Then Question number 5a. On that the question is 3 centimeter. So it is a radius. 3 centimeter is the radius of the circle. Then so what you have to do then? Okay, let's first write the all the steps of them. Then after you can draw the circle. Then so you have to write like that. Step 1. Then I am shortening the step. Then so it will be easy for you to write. Then so the step 1 is like take measurement 3 centimeter in compass. Then see I am sorting the step for you. Okay. Okay. Next step 2. Take point O. Then and place pointer of compass on O and draw circle. Done. And last step. Okay, so after that, when you draw the circle, then last step is just to answer that the given is the required answer. Done. So the third step you can write that you can you get the it is the given circle of the radius 3. It is a given circle of radius 3 centimeter. Understood? So these are how you have to write the step for the circle. Then after you have to draw the circle, or you can do that part of the question after while also. First you can draw the circle, then after you can write the step of it. But the step, remember the step are compulsory. You have to write all the step. Then okay, so that's how you have to write the step. Next we are drawing the circle of 3 centimeters. As per the step, first we have to make we have to take the 3 centimeter radius on the compass. Then so let's take as an example like that. This is the 3 centimeter radius on the compass. Then after next step you have to take the point O. Then after second step you have to put the pointer of the compass on the O, and you have to make the circle. Okay, so I am doing like that. Done? Okay, so that's how you have to do it, and then after last you can do like that. You have to join them as a radius to show the radius r is equals to 3 centimeter. Then end of the question. Okay, any doubt in this one? Let me know about this if you have any doubt. Understood? Okay. So remaining two you have to do in your homework. Now on the B1 it is a 4 centimeter, and on the C1 there is a 6 centimeter is there. Okay, so that's it for today. So today we learn about the construction of the circle, done, and that is the end of our syllabus. Done. Okay. So today's your homework is complete the question number 5 of exercise 8.4 on which I have done the one which is third one. B and C you have to do it by yourself. Understood? Let me know about this if you have any difficulty for that. Then thank you.